Magpapagas ako ngayon dito sa marathon ng sasakyan. So, ipapakita ko ngayon sa inyo yung how to gas up here sa US. So, ito. Magbabayad ako ngayon using my card. Here. So yung sundin mo lang yung instruction here. And then ito, papakita mo. Pagkat ito, and then press mo lang ito, and then open mo ito. Then insert. Then full tank yung gagawin natin. So ilalock ko lang to. Okay, here. You lock it here, and then magka-click lang yan if okay na yung full tank. So, hihintayin mo lang dito. Here.
My family relied on public assistance to help provide meals for us.
Gallons.
These meals fueled my involvement in theater, which fostered my love for acting.
How many dollars yung babayaran mo?
Join the movement to end hunger at feedingamerica.org.
Hihintay ka lang dito. So, meron dito 87 minimum octane 89 and 92. So yung pinili ko is here $14.06. So ngayon guys is yung, as you can see sa likod ko is nagsa-snow, pero kailangan ko magpagas kasi you know baka maano na yung sasakyan, mag-moist. So ito na, tapos na. Yung babayaran ko is $42, 9 gallons. Kunin ko lang yung receipt here.